Alright, Jason here from Septic Tank TV, okay, and in today's short video I'm going to show you how to cut yourself off from your neighbour if they're connected to a septic tank that's in your garden. So how do you even go about doing that? Well, let me show you. Okay, so here you can see you've got two houses, right? And here's the septic tank. And so if I uncover it a bit more, you can see it a bit better. You can see the pipe coming from the neighbour's house into the system here. And here's your orange pipe. It all goes into the septic tank here. And then obviously the liquid then drains away into the soakaway. So let's get a bit closer on this. So how do you cut yourself off if your neighbour's going into a septic tank in your garden and you want them to basically stop using it? Well, the first thing that you need to do is to find a proposed location in your garden where you'd like to put your new septic tank and soakaway. So let's say you've done that. You would then dig a trench to your proposed new location where you're going to put your new septic tank and soakaway. Then you dig the hole for the septic tank and soakaway. After you've done that, literally just get yourself a septic tank and soakaway kit, put in the septic tank, take you about 40 minutes to do that. Then get some orange pipe and the inspection chamber that come with the septic tank kit, just connect it to the pipe, then put the drainage field crates in the hole. It's as simple as that. Take you about 2 hours to do. Once you've done that, we then go back to this configuration of pipework. Now you'll notice here that your pipe leaves your house and goes into this inspection chamber. Well, all that you need to do now is disconnect that pipe. Okay, so you're not going into that tank anymore. All right, and then you spur off with a new set of pipes. So this new pipe leaves your house, goes into a new inspection chamber and goes into your new septic tank here. All right, so just like that. So you can see that. So it connects to there. Now, the neighbor, if I just zoom out here, the neighbor now is basically cut off from your new septic tank and they're still going into your old septic tank. What you can do now, you can well, let me just cover everything with soil. There you go. So that's how it would look if it was covered over with soil. So what you need to do now is you contact the environmental agency. You say, look, we've got an old septic tank. That was the one you used to go into, and it's illegal. It's a pollution risk. It smells, whatever the case may be. You can say, look, I don't want it on my land anymore. We've put a new septic tank and soakaway in. We're connected to that. The new system's all 100% legal. We want to decommission the old septic tank on our land, and we want our neighbour to put their own new septic tank and soakaway in. So it's as simple as that. It really is. And although I've made it, covered the topic really quickly there, in about 2 or 3 minutes. I mean, if you'd like more information, I've got lots of other videos which explain, this solution in greater detail. Or if you'd like more information, then just give me a ring or visit septictank.co.uk or Septic Tank TV. And there you'll find more videos, free videos to help you with whatever septic tank problem you've got. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. You take care and I'll speak to you soon.